POV, please come down to the office. Come to the office immediately.
Here. I'm here at the office.
Sit down in your chair. So, hello?
Hi.
What brings you in here?
I don't know, I just had a bad day.
It's literally lunch break. Don't look outside.
Okay, I'm just gonna look at you.
Apparently there's like two moose from Nova Scotia. One is endangered, one is not. So the one that is endangered is
Why do you have tape on here?
It's broken.
Why?
Cause kids kept slamming it.
Okay. Why do kids keep slamming it?
Cause they're mad.
I'm not even mad. I'm just sad.
Also, some of them pull that fire alarm over there. That's why it always goes off.
I know, so I need to go outside. Why is my teacher on lunch break? Do I have lunch? I don't know where my lunch is.
Ugh.
Can I just get my lunch for lunch break?
No.
Why?
Because you're here. No, get back here immediately. You need to come back immediately. Grab that off the floor. Sit down here.
I can't slam this.
Stop slamming it.
Okay. What, Gavin?
Hey,
What?
Mr. McDonald.
What?
That's my name. Stop kicking.
Okay. Okay. Stop it. Don't take my socks off. Hey, teacher, can you help? You took my socks off. You're pretty good.
Also, look at this.
Okay.
This is your phone? No. No phones at school.
Can I pretend I keep it in
No.
my bag?
You don't keep these in your bag.
Hey! Enough of being like that. Or else the game will be over.
Acting. Don't touch my
Take
water.
your water away from me. I'm just getting angry. Angry. I'm angry. I'm angry.
I thought you hated spiders.
Yeah, but the jumping spider's really cute.
Hey!
Hey, Gavin.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. I'm allergic to chocolate.
No, you aren't.
No, pretend.
No!
Hi.
Because you're ruining the video.
But there's no chocolate at school.
Nope, peanuts.
And this has no peanuts in it.
So you can eat it.
Oh my gosh. Those are peanuts.
I don't care. I made the rules.
Okay. Principal. I'm just opening my chocolate. My mommy packed me this for lunch.
Wow.
Ask one of my parents.
No.
Open this.
Okay, straight to the alarm. All right. Straight to the alarm.
Got chocolate. I got it my chocolate. Okay. I got my chocolate. Okay. Hey, Principal, where are you going?
Straight to the alarm.
I'm pulling you.
You know what?
What?
I'm calling your parents.
Why?
You hit a kid. Yes, hello. Is this Brooklyn's parents? Alright, so she hit a kid today at school. She hit a kid at school today. We have entire security camera footage. And you should ground her, yeah. I know, right? Yeah, right? I know. I know. Yeah, so. Yeah, so, yeah. Bye. Beep.
I just mommy said so much is good.
I am sending you home.
No.
Yeah, go. Yeah, take her home now.
Okay. I'm gonna go home and get my backpack.
Grab your stuff now.
I grabbed my stuff. I grabbed my
Her,
backpack.
your parents are coming to get you. Sit back down here.
Okay, but I'm gonna put my backpack.
Sit.
Why? I need to put my backpack on.
I don't care about your backpack.
So are you gonna carry it?
Plus, it's the last day of school. So you're going to be in so much trouble. They're going to ground you over the entire break.
Can I go now?
They're almost here.
But I saw them in the kitchen. In the kitchen.
We're almost here, all right?
Okay. Maybe I'll just sit here.
You're coming home now.
Don't pull me.
You're heading home right now.
Okay.
Stop!
Hi, Mom.
The kitchen is not for playing when Daddy's cooking. Everybody out!
Guys, stop running. Guys, stop running around or someone's going to get hurt. Okay? Stop running around or someone's going to get hurt.
We should go back to Weimar.
Yeah, you can do that.
Don't be running around the kitchen.
I'm so sick and tired of that.